my dear students. I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today we are going to continue the chapter Birds, which we have already started. We are going to do the next question from the page number 206. So very first thing, write today's date. Today is 7/05/2023. On the red line, write the chapter's name, BIRDS Birds. Leave the first line, children. Start from the second line. Fill in the blanks. And the answer is also given. You have to unscramble it, okay? So the question is, unscramble the words to fill in the blanks. Okay, the answer will be given, but it will be scrambled. You have to unscramble it and then write the answer. And the first one is dash feathers are found in birds wings and tail. The word given is you have to unscramble it, children. Here it is given IHFGTL, and the answer is flight. FLIGHT, flight.